In this video, it's just basically a little cruising in the Galaxie on Woodward on Saturday night. It was super nuts. So I had some guests up from the Cleveland area, Painesville, Ohio. And we went to Meadowbrook. You should do the Google on Meadowbrook. It's a neat place. Been there in the past, but anyway, we went there, had a behind the scenes tour. I didn't make a video on it, and I didn't see any point in it. But it's, you know, the Dodge family home. And then, you know, we did a lap on Woodward. And again, Jeremy was sitting in the back seat and in the Galaxie and just used his iPhone to take some video. And I'll put that video up unedited. And in the video, you will see on the return a big cloud of smoke. And that cloud of smoke was where they were smoking tires. I mean, it was nuts last night. It was about 9:30, quarter to 10 when we came down by where that cloud of smoke was. So it was pretty late. Usually I head out by the time it's getting dark because that's when it gets crazy. Well, it was full on crazy, and the traffic was bumper to bumper, stop and go there for a couple of miles. And the Galaxie never got hot or anything. It stayed nice and cool, and everything went well. So anyway, here's that video. It's not very long, about 10 minutes of video, so enjoy. to keep my eyes on the road because people just suddenly stop, which is nuts. Well, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button. It definitely helps. Subscribe to my channel if you wish. And thank you for watching my videos.